Hello students, let us study the part second of corporate finance. As you all know, in previous video we had done the importance of corporate finance. Now we will study that how factors affecting the fixed capital. So number first point that it is nature of business. Fixed capital factor affecting is a nature of business. So students, here we can come to know that manufacturing industries and public utilities have to invest huge amount of funds to acquire fixed assets, while trading business may not need to huge investments in the fixed assets. Second one we can see it is fixed in nature. Second one we can see the size of business. Here students, what is the size of business? Suppose when a business firm is set up to carry on a large scale operations, its fixed requirement or else fixed capital requirements are likely very high. It is because the most of their production process are based on the automatic machines and equipment, therefore it is very large in size. Third one we can see that the scope of the business. So students, the scope of the business. Scope is nothing but there is a business firm which are formed to carry out the production or distribution on a large scale. Such business would require more amount of fixed capital. Then we will see the it will be accent on lease or rent. Here student, if entrepreneur decided to acquire assets on lease or rent basis, the less amount of fund for fixed assets will be need for the business. It is very much the less amount. And what is the meaning of lease? Lease means nothing, a contract by which one person grants possession of some of its property to the other person. Next point is arrangement. How it must be arranged in the business. If the business want to subcontract such process of production to others, then limited assets are required to carry out the production. Next point is the old assets or the new one. So students, as you all know, in setting up the business, if old equipments and plants are available at low price, then it would reduce the need of investment in the fixed asset. It also reduces by time. Next we can see the international condition, that what are the international conditions are there in the business of fixed capital. So students, the factor which is affecting the business is very particularly in large organization which is carrying business or international level. For example, companies expecting war may decide to invest large funds for the investment in the shortage of material. Then we can see the trend in economy, that which type of trend it follows in economy. For an example, trend in economy in which the future of the company is anticipated to the bright, it gives green signal to the business and the enterprises for getting the rent or in a large amount of business. It is always in a large amount. The last point we can see that consumer preference, that what is the consumer preference which is given by the company. Here we can see the industries providing goods and services which are in the good demand and require large amount of fixed capital. For an example students, we can see that mobile phones manufacturing as well as mobile network providers which are there in the business. So these are the factors which is affecting the fixed capital. In the next video we will see the factors that affects the working capital.